Video 2. Desiree Bird, you're owed a second video. So open up the drawers, and you have to understand, Desiree's preggers, right? And this is just fentanyl hoot after fentanyl hoot after fentanyl hoot in this world here. It's kind of sickening. So we open up the cupboards. Of course, there's hot knives, old school. We've got a lovely little house drawer full of kitchen tools. Right beside big ass frickin' needles and Noxy kit. More tin foil. Next drawer over. Typical broken crack pipe. Fucking government issued water for injecting. Government issued crack pipes. Government issues these. I don't think you people understand. The government gives them the crack pipes and the needles. Desiree Bird, you're pregnant. This shouldn't be that way, right? We shouldn't allow that. Maybe more people should consider selling their testicles and their ovaries and then giving them a big bag of fentanyl. That'd be a fair trade, right?